Imagine a company that's not just reaching for the stars but building the roads to get there. Welcome to Rocket Lab, a space innovator quietly revolutionizing how we access the final frontier. Today, we'll uncover why this under-the-radar stock could be your next big opportunity or a risky bet. Let's launch into the story. Rocket Lab isn't just another space company. It's a specialist in small satellite launches. Think of it as the FedEx of space, delivering tiny but critical payloads into orbit. Why does this matter? The global space economy is projected to hit $1 trillion by 2040, driven by satellite internet like Starlink, climate monitoring, and even missions to the moon. Rocket Lab's niche? Small payloads, 150 to 300 kilograms, a market underserved by giants like SpaceX. They've already launched 15-plus missions in 2024 alone, proving their reliability. While SpaceX dominates heavy-lift rockets, Rocket Lab thrives where others can't: speed and cost. Their reusable Electron rocket and Photon satellites offer end-to-end solutions, making them the go-to for startups and governments alike. Let's face it, space is crowded. But Rocket Lab has three key edges. Electron rocket, reusable boosters cut costs by 30%. Photon platform, builds satellites and launches them, a one-stop shop. Agility, 15 launches in 2024 versus SpaceX's 100+, but Rocket Lab serves a different audience. Here's the battlefield. SpaceX, bigger rockets, deeper pockets. Threat level high. Arianespace relies on government contracts. Threat moderate. Blue Origin, still testing its New Glenn rocket. Threat emerging. The best part? Virgin Orbit, a key rival, went bankrupt in 2023, clearing Rocket Lab's path. Financials. Rocket Lab's revenues soared 78% in 2024 to $624 million, but it's still losing money, $102 million net loss. High growth? Yes. Profitable? Not yet. As for the risk, valuation, a sky-high price-sales ratio of 21.56 screams overvalued. Debt, $320 million in long-term loans. Can they repay it? Technicals. The stock is at 18.94 cents, bouncing between support at 17.98 and resistance at $19. Break above 19? Bulls win. Drop below 17.50, time to worry. Sentiment. Institutions own 45%, they could swing the price. Meanwhile, 12% of shares are shorted, meaning skeptics are betting against it. Long term, if Rocket Lab nails its Neutron rocket, launching in 2025 and wins NASA contracts, this could moon. Short term, high risk, high reward. A breakout above $19 could spark a rally, but don't ignore the debt. Best entry, wait for a dip to 17.50, 18. Avoid chasing above $19. Rocket Lab isn't for the faint-hearted, but if you believe in the space revolution, this could be your ticket. Subscribe for more deep dives and check the links below for real-time data. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars.